Constant stress can increase your risk for long-term health issues like diabetes, heart attack and depression. For this, you need to get relaxation. Why is relaxation so important and good for stress? When we relax, the flow of blood increases in our body, giving us more energy, which also help us to have clear and calm mind, which adds some positive thinking, concentration, memory and decision making power. There are many techniques to get relaxation and to combat your stress. Friends, this is Abhilasha and thank you for selecting this video. In this video, I am going to share with you some common techniques to get relaxation and stress reliever. First, I will suggest you exercise. Exercise is one of the most important thing to do and it is very helpful in stress relief. It might seem contradictory, but yes, putting physical stress in your body through exercise can help you in mental relax. Second thing, exercise can also improve your sleep quality, which can be affected by stress and anxiety. Regular exercise can help you lower body stress like such as cortisol, and it also help us to release endorphin, which is chemical. It can improve your mood. People those who exercise regularly are less likely to experience anxiety and stress than those who don't. Try to find some activities in your daily routine which you enjoy, such as jogging, walking, running, dancing, which you like, yoga, breathing exercise, meditation. You can include these techniques in your daily routine. Second, I will tell you, check your diet. Eat healthy diet, which is rich in complex with carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, fruits, salads, and vegetables. Have lots of water. It can help you in better sleep. It can help you in better sleep, and give you energy, more power. High sugar diet can impact on your temperament. Check your healthy diet. Check your diet. The next thing, cuddling. Cuddling, kissing, hugging. These are physical contact. When you make physical contact with loved ones, it may help you in relaxation. It gives you more power and more positive energy. Family and friends. These are social support. It can help you in mental relax. Family and friends give you social purpose. They give you sense of purpose, sense of love, sense of belongings, self-worth. They make you feel that you keep value in their life. So spend time with your family and friends. Try to have dinner or lunch. Try to set a habit to have dinner or lunch with your family, and try to share your thoughts. Try to listen their problems and you may find your solution. The next thing, procrastination. Learn to avoid procrastination. Laziness. Procrastination can lead you to act reactively. It can affect your health and sleep quality. Set up your priority, which you need to be done first. Procrastination is not good for your health and for your image. If you are lazy, you can't do anything. Set your top of your priority, which is need to be done. Next thing, I will suggest you write it down. What you are stressed about, write it down. Record your stress. What you are stressed about, record it and listen it. Try to find some solution. It is one approach. Second is jotting down what you are grateful for. Grateful attitude can help you in mental relax. It also help in release endorphin. The next thing I will suggest you, anticipate your stressful event. Focus on positive outcomes. Try to proactively cope with your stress. It is good for stress management. Once upon a time, I had a great pressure of my work. I was under pressure of my work. I had stress. But one day I stood up and I have tried these techniques in my life. And first one of the most important thing I done, I anticipate stressful event and I was trying to focus on positive outcomes. I proactively cope with my stress. It impact on your well-being. Friends, have a wonderful life. All the best.